The search query editor is used to manage and analyze search queries that are too large to manage in the keyword search window. The search query editor allows you to create complex textual queries, detect invalid query syntax with a query, examine the number of responsive documents for multiple queries, as well as create a report with accounts for a query and its subqueries. The Search Query Editor, or SQUE as it is often called, is located at the top of the search panel. Once opened, the default view is Count View. Count View can be used to individually enter search terms or expressions one at a time. To add multiple rows and enter terms or expressions, click the Add Row button at the top of the screen of the Search Query Editor when in Count View. The SQUE will search for documents that are hits to line 1 or line 2 or line 3 or line 4. To conduct AND searches, an AND operator must be used within an individual line. When you have a pre-existing list of search terms or expressions, you can copy and paste the list directly into the Search Query Editor by using the Text View. To change from Count View to Text View, click the toggle on the upper right-hand corner of the Search Query Editor window. Delete the asterisk in the text field. Then after you copy the list of terms and expressions, use Ctrl-V on your keyboard to paste that list into the text view. Once the list is pasted into the text view, switch back to the Count view using the toggle in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. If there are any issues with syntax, the individual expression with the issue will be highlighted in red, as seen in our example here. Once the syntax error is corrected, the system confirms that it is a valid search by displaying a green check mark. The Calculate All button in the lower right-hand corner of Count View can be used to calculate the number of responsive documents for each term. The system also provides family counts as well. These are the counts that you will receive if you choose to execute the search and include family members in the results list. The bottom of each column represents the total number of document results. The Search Query Editor report shows the document counts for a complete search query. To run a Search Query Editor report, click the Report option in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Choose to include values with family expansion and/or unique counts. Unique hits are documents that are only hit by one query line. This can help you to optimize your search query by identifying terms that are potentially overly responsive. Choose the output settings for your report. Here, we'll leave the output format as CSV and the CSV separator as a comma. To see a preview of the report prior to running it, click on the Preview button. If you choose to then run the report, click the Run button. To go back to the main Search Query Editor screen, click Cancel. To execute the Search Query Editor search, click the Apply button on the lower right-hand corner of the Search Query Editor window. After a Search Query Editor search is executed, you can stack additional search criteria on top of your search results by applying additional smart filters, keyword searches, or any of the other analytics functionality available in Axcelerate.